guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you can see that it's a little bit change of view. We are actually up at the cabin in Idaho in Cascade. My boyfriend's family has a cabin up here. They have like so much property that they just keep turning things into livable spaces, and it's so freaking cool. I love it up here. So we just woke up a little bit ago. You guys are on a Cheez-It box. Okay. so we just woke up, and then we're up in like the garage area. So the garage is very open. I'll show you guys in just a minute. And then the top of it has two rooms. We're in one of the bedrooms, and then there's a man cave, and then they're still working on building a bathroom. And then the main cabin is over this way, and they had this really old cabin, and they had this cabin brought here for like super cheap back then. And then just recently, over the last maybe like 5 years, they've been remodeling it and adding to it. It's literally like luxury living up here. It's so nice. We have like Wi-Fi and TVs and stuff. So Jake is actually building the campfire. We're gonna go down there, find some breakfast, get some coffee, and yeah, so I'll show you guys around. And this is kind of what we're doing today. We might go for a hike later today and kind of go exploring, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in here. So this is what you guys were bouncing on. This is our view. Hold on, let me see if I can. So this is our view out of our window, and then this is the bedroom. I'll turn the light on. And no, I don't really make my bed that much. And then there's a closet and all this stuff. It's really small. And then you come out here, there's like a mini fridge, microwave, little oven. There's gonna be like coffee up here, and then the bathroom. And then there's gonna be, here's the man cave. There's a bunch of sports, there's 2 boys in the family. And then the dad, they all have different, none of them have the same sports team. So there's all kinds of sports stuff. We're in Idaho, so Boise State Broncos. And yeah, so this is the front of the cabin, of the garage. So I'm upstairs in the garage, and then this is like the main cabin right here. So this is kind of on a hill as well. We'll probably take a walk down that way and do everything. So I'm gonna go down. So I'm gonna go downstairs, find Jake. He's making a fire right now, and we're gonna go get some breakfast and get some coffee. Okay, we have all the coffee and everything. Let's go downstairs. Alright guys, I'm going to show you some beauty tips that I like to do when I'm traveling. There's not always a shower that's available as if when you're camping or anything. So I'm going to show you guys the things that I like to do to at least look presentable. Clearly dry shampoo will be one of those things. And so I'm going to show you some hairstyles and tips that I like to do when I'm camping. I will shower the day before we leave or the day of, and so my hair is nice and fresh. And then the next day I'll put dry shampoo in it, and then I'll braid it, and then the braid will be pretty tight since I know how to braid pretty well. I'll braid my own hair in like pigtails or something, and then by the 3rd day I can either take the braid out and have like curls, or I can leave it in for a second day, just add some more dry shampoo, and then just wash up my body if I, you know, when you have to the next day. So I'll add dry shampoo, or I'll just take it out and have like curly hair for the third day, and then we're just gonna go home tomorrow anyways. So today I'm just gonna add my dry shampoo, and then we'll just braid our hair to have it nice and ready to go for today. So this is the dry shampoo that I love. I keep going back to this. It's the Hask. I have no idea how to pronounce this. It's the dry shampoo long lasting oil absorption. So this is what it looks like, and this has a ton of white residue, and I don't really mind it because my hair is blonde anyways, and it just makes it look more blonde. This is no dry shampoo. It's pretty oily, but I love all the white residue. It does not bother me, but it does get on your clothes. Once it's on your hands, you have to wash your hands right away, because once you start touching stuff, the powder will get everywhere, like if you have a scrunchie or something. But it's the best one. There's no volume, there's no texture. It simply just takes the oil out of your hair, and it doesn't mess with anything else. And I have very thin hair, and so having this is really nice. There's no volume or anything added to it, and I just like to keep it how it is. So I'm just going to use this and just kind of, I'll pull my hair out and just get the outer layers of it. And then, so I'm gonna go ahead and braid it. Okay, so I did not bring any like hairspray or anything, but if you had some, go ahead and use it. I didn't bring any, so this is gonna last me for a few days. It's really tight. The method that I used is gonna keep my hair in a really tight ponytail. I'm not gonna pull it out or anything, but it's gonna stay in a braid, and it's gonna do this. If I wanted to work out, we're gonna go on a hike, we're gonna go downtown and explore. There's like a little mini marketplace here in this tiny little town. So we're gonna just kind of go exploring today, and so this is how I like to do my hair when I come camping. Is pull it out of the way, and then the next day I can just add more dry shampoo, and then my hair is like really curly, and it's a cute little ponytail, so it's still like put together. And so yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys what I do when I'm traveling, like camping, and I just want to freshen up my look. Since we are going downtown, I kind of want to look presentable, so I just have these wipes. They're just from Ross. They're just a big huge pack of them, so I'm just gonna use these wipes and just kind of clean up from yesterday. You can tell I'm like really red too. I'm gonna use the viewfinder to pretty much get ready with all this makeup and stuff. It's just gonna be a little bit, I still want to look, you know, I'm just kind of visiting for the weekend, which I am, so I want to look decently presentable. Okay, so we just have very minimal makeup. I used this palette. You will see a video, if you haven't seen it already, I'll put it down in the description. I did a full face using just this palette, and then I had a mascara brush, or a mascara and an eyebrow pencil, and that was it, and then some brushes. So I just did a full face using just this palette. And this is what it looks like. Usually I would add some like illuminator or something, but I like this better. So we're gonna go downtown and check out the market, and this is kind of what I'll have for today. If I go work out or something, I'll just leave my hair up and up until tomorrow, and then I'll just add dry shampoo. So we're gonna just go explore today. Alright, you guys, we are gonna go out on the Gator. I think it's called the Gator. And Jake wants to take me for a ride. I'm out of breath from walking up the stairs. Jake wants to take me for a ride, and so we're gonna go have some fun, go for a little drive, and come back, kind of sit around the fire for a little bit. And we normally just chill and hang out. I always make the most s'mores and eat the most s'mores and chocolate and stuff, so I'm not sure how much else I'm gonna film, but we're gonna go have some fun a little bit before the day is over, and I'll see you guys later.
Easy enough?
Oh, that was fun.
That was. You can go do that again if you want to.
Yeah. Do it every day.
Alright, you guys, we are on our way home today. It is Monday and we're just packing up the room. It looks like a mess. We had some plans and stuff, but Jake woke up with a headache, so I think we're just going to head down the mountain. We have work to do at home anyways. If you haven't yet, go watch the video that I posted before this one. An update. My hair is still put together. I think I'm just going to leave it until I get home. We're just gonna go home and shower. I could just pull it out and then have some like curls for on the way home, but it's really not bad. It's really not that greasy because of the dry shampoo that I use. It really puts a lot of product. My face looks like absolute garbage. I kind of just sleep in my makeup. I just don't really care. And so yeah, so we're just gonna head home. I might freshen up my face a little bit. So we're gonna head home today and I'll keep you guys posted.